Hi guys, it's James from blogging again, and in our last video we saw that how you can go about creating a very simple logo for your YouTube channel or your blog. Now, and the way we did that, just to recap, is that you would simply just go to the element section, search for an element that is an icon that you can now create your logo around. And then when you find something you can work with, you just click on it, edit it around, and put your name, your channel name, and then just from that you're going to, at the end of the day, end up with something looking awesome like we did last time. Now in this video I'm going to try and show you another way, because as I saw, for instance, when you search, for instance, like I've searched here for pen, as you can see, you only get like 3 free icons to use, but then the rest, they are all premium. These are all premium, and they are actually good looking icons that we would want to use them to create our logo. So in this video I'm going to show you another website whereby you can go and find other free icons you can now import to Canva and go on creating your awesome logo. Because as you see, even if you search for something else, say, you'll always find that you find very limited free icons you can use. For instance, we searched for movie, and from that, as you can see, we've got several options that we can use. But then what if you don't find an icon that you can use to create your logo with? Something that you'd want to be representing your awesome brand, because some things may not actually speak to you, and you always need to be thinking long term when you're doing this logo creation things. So that's why I always say, if you don't feel like you can create something awesome yourself, you can always just go to Fiverr and get something professionally done for real cheap. I'll leave a link to Fiverr below if you want to use it. Okay, and then from here, let's see logo design, and as you can see, we've got several options that you can go with and order. Now you got the 15, you got others that are on the high end of professionalism. You get something a little bit more custom. You got the 10, and even they always start from $5, so you can just as well keep digging through and find one, but always make sure that you order from someone that you feel that their past work speaks to you. Like this one, like this guy looks like he knows how to create very minimalistic icons, just simple and straight to the point. Now, but for this video, I just want to show you another website whereby you can just extend on your free icon options. So just on that site is IconFinder. As you can see, they've got even their own memberships. I also leave a link to them below, but just come to iconfinder.com and then just simply search for an icon. Now, IconFinder, like the name suggests, it's a website comprised mainly of icons. Now once you come to IconFinder and search for your templates, most times you'll find that it will be set to any, so always make sure that you'll find that it's set at any. So what you want to do is just filter the price by free, and then this will bring up all the free icon options that you can use. And bear in mind that all these icons, they are all Creative Commons, most of them, and always make sure that you don't go around downloading non-brand logos. Always try and find something that you can use but that won't be infringing on anyone's copyrights. So for instance, for our case, let's just go with something simple like this. What you want to do is you can just open this in a new tab, or alternatively just click on it, and then this is going to drop down a window from where you will now be able to download. You can download your icon as a PNG, and always make sure that you're downloading the highest dimension for the icon. This will help you work with the icon properly without distorting the image. That means you'll be able to resize it more so down without losing any quality. But if you download a 64 pixel icon, you cannot blow it up to 512 without losing its crispness. So always make sure that you are downloading your icons at the highest dimension. Okay, now for this case, you're going to realize one thing. All icons found on Canva, their colors can be edited. Whenever you click on them, you'll always find that you've got options of the color scheme that you can change and affect the logo, like we did the last time, and we came up with this color scheme. And as you can see, any logo, any icon from IconFinder, you'll always find all these options to further customize that icon with your color scheme and all that, make it unique. But any icon that you import to Canva won't have those options. And to demonstrate this, let's download this icon from IconFinder. Let me show you the problem now before I show you the solution. That way you'll always understand how to do this properly. Okay, to upload anything like we did last time, just come to the upload section. Let's just rename it quickly. Let's clean up. We still got our backed up option. Always make sure that you copy all pages as a page that you want to work on, so that you can always have its backup. Now as you can see, when you click on it, there are the previous color customization options are missing. They aren't there. So it will mean that if you want to create a logo, say with a black icon, you'll always need to move or change or affect other colors around to make sure that it fits the icon that you just imported. So that means if you wanted to turn this icon into white, you can't do that from within Canva. So this now presents you with a challenge. Now, does it mean that the icons that you download from IconFinder are unusable? No, not necessarily. What you want to do is that you come to this option below. Along with every icon, you'll always find that you can open that icon on their own icon editor. That is IconFinder's icon editor. So what you want to do is just click on it to open that icon on their icon editor, and then this is how you'll be going about affecting the colors that you want, going around that issue, so as you find that you are working with the colors that you want. So that means if you want a white icon, you'll just come to the icon editor, select first of all the icon itself, then from the color palette, let's affect it to white, then click on the OK. You can also zoom out the icon to make sure that you're seeing what you're doing, to seeing the entire icon, because at some times you'll find that there are icons with other elements. So once you affect one color for one section, you'll always find that another section will also need your attention. So it will be best to always make sure that you are seeing the entire icon while you are working with it, so that once you affect any color on it, you're downloading the exact icon that you want with its colors. So once you have your icon looking the way you want with the color that you want, just simply come to the download icon option, then choose the highest pixel like we said earlier. I'm going to show you in another video how to work with the SVG files, but for this video let's just work with the PNG. Okay, let's upload now our white icon. And as you can see, we now have a white icon that we can then use to create we can use to prototype or try another variation of the logo that we are trying to create, to come up with. So as you can see, we can now work with darker backgrounds while seeing what is becoming of the icon that we are trying to create. As now you can see, now we can work with this icon. It's white. We can also come, and the same process will apply if you are trying to now change this color into any other color, be it pink or anything. Just simply come, choose the icon like we did last time, and then from the color palette choose the color you want, confirm, then come and then download that icon. Now this is the process that you'll be following when trying to download icons from IconFinder, so that once you import them, into Canva, you're actually working with the icons that you want. As you've seen, what at first seemed like a problem, not being able to affect the colors from within Canva, is now no longer an issue because we now have a workaround to it. Okay, so just to finish up on this logo, let's find a title for it. Okay, let's call it, say, Mr. Movie. Okay, let's try and minimize that icon a little. And then similarly to the last tutorial, let's try and align everything at the center using the Canvas guidelines. And as you can see, we now have another awesome looking logo that we can use. Now from this you can also create other variations of that logo that is with this icon on the side horizontally, or even with the icon alone, like I'm even having on my channel. So this is how you'll be going around finding other free icons to use while you are creating your awesome looking logo that can be used as a placeholder or just as the final product, using Canva and IconFinder. Now if you want to remove this black background and make it transparent for the logo so that you can use it in other areas, say it could be like your watermark for the videos and all that, just simply watch my first video and it will show you exactly how you can not only remove this black background but any background that you don't want from any image. So I'll also link to it above and also leave a link to it below, so make sure you watch that video. Now once happy that your logo looks good, simply come to the download button and then select the page it's on. In our case it will be page 1. Then just simply click on the download button and the logo will be downloaded to your computer. Okay, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. And until next time, stay blessed.